Down in Moscow, preseason camp continues for Paul Petrino and the Idaho Vandals as they prepare to open the season with a pair of road games starting 2 weeks from today at North Texas. The Vandals scrimmaging for the second time, and Coeur d'Alene's Chad Challenge battling for that starting QB spot, steps up in the pocket on this one and finds Najee Lovett for a 32-yard touchdown. Challenge was 19 of 20 through the air. That's 95%. Not bad. More Challenge this time finding his tight end, Jared Klingenberg. He had a pair of catches for 84 yards. Challenge had 414 passing yards and 5 touchdowns. A lot of plays in this one. He also had 2 scores on the ground, including this play where just nice pump fake and gets in. As for Josh McCain, he was only 5 of 12 throwing the ball for 1 touchdown. And here he is completing this pass to Desmond Epps, who led the Vandals with 6 catches for 111 yards. All in all, it was a day in which the offense shined and had Paul Petrino feeling good about his team's effort.
I liked the guys' attitude. I thought we came out and played hard. I went ones on ones straight in a row for a long time.
Can't take this.
So the game should be easy. You know, they'll never go that many plays in a row on offense or defense. And so we had a lot of plays, went one after another. And we just got to continue to improve.